Hola, bienvenidos a todos. Welcome to Bilingual Song and Rhyme. We're going to go ahead and start with a welcome song, una canción de bienvenida. And this one is called Buenos Dias, Amiguitos, which means good morning, little friends. You're all my little friends. So we're going to go ahead and when someone asks us, ¿Cómo están? You say, muy bien. Can you do that? Can you clap muy bien? Muy bien. Excelente. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get ready to sing our song. Remember, when we say muy bien, I want you to clap it out. Muy bien. Excelente. ¿Listos? Buenos días, amiguitos, ¿cómo están? Muy bien. Buenos días, amiguitos, ¿cómo están? Muy bien. Buenos días, amiguitos, buenos días, amiguitos, buenos días, amiguitos, ¿cómo están? Muy bien. Good job, everybody. Excelente. Let's move on to another song. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with this song called Red is Rojo. For this song, we're going to go through our colors, which is great. This song is perfect if you are just starting to learn your colors. As you sing along, I'm going to put the words right up to the camera and I want you to say it. So red is rojo. Can you say that with me? Rojo. Excelente. Cards are great ways to learn new words, especially when it's simple words such as numbers, shapes, or colors. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started with our song. ¿Están listos? Are you ready? Remember, when you see the word, I want you to say it really loud. ¿Listos? Red is rojo. Green is verde. Blue is azul. Good job. Purple morado. Good. Yellow amarillo. Orange anaranjado. This one's a little bit hard. Anaranjado. Good. White is blanco. Pink. Rosado. Excelente. Good job. You went through all your colors. Like I said, this is a great song. If you just want to practice saying your colors, you can go as slow or as fast as you want. We're going to sing the song one more time, this time without the cards, and we're just going to say it out loud. Are you ready? If you want, you can clap back and forth just to keep with the rhythm. ¿Listos? Red is rojo, green is verde, blue azul, purple morado, yellow amarillo, orange anaranjado, white is blanco, pink rosado. Good job, everybody. You did so well with that song. We're going to go ahead and we're going to move on to our next song. This song is about one of my favorite foods, and it's called tortillitas. We're going to make tortillitas for our moms and dads. So for this one, we're going to grab our hands and we're going to go back and forth. And we're going to imagine that there's a little piece of dough in between our hands that we're trying to flatten to make a nice round tortilla. Are you guys ready? ¿Están listos? We're going to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Good. Tortillitas para mamá, tortillitas para papá, las calientitas para mamá, las doraditas para papá. Excelente. Good. This is a great rhyme if you just want to go fast and you want to practice your motions, or you can go nice and slow. Thank you so much for joining me today for Bilingual Song and Rhyme. We'll see you again next week. Bye.